Hey guys, what's up? This is James from Strange Mowers. I'm going to give you a sound clip of the exhaust on my 2003 Chevy S10 ZR2. I also did make an overview of it. Make sure you go to our channel and you can find that. It's basically everything I did to it. The exhaust is a 40 series Flowmaster. It's dual exhaust. I'm just going to start it up. I'll rev it up for you, and I'll also put it in gear when it warms up and let it idle down so you could hear it. But I'm going to go start it up. So. Made it all foggy. But yeah, that's a 40 series Flowmaster. It definitely produces a very nice sound at an idle. It's actually, what is it revving right now? It's actually only revving, that's 6.5 right now, so it's idling pretty low. But it does idle a little bit lower when it's in gear. Now it's warmed up. I'll put it in gear again and show you again the idle at the lower RPM. It sounds good. actually in drive with the parking brake on, so you can hear it idling lower. Has a nice sound to it. But let me put it back into park before my parking brake fails here. Alright. But yeah, it definitely sounds good. Like I said, make sure you go to the overview I made of it, because I made an overview of everything I did to it too. I will be doing more. Make sure you go to our channel. I'm actually into mowers too. I have a racing mower. My buddy has an off-road mower, so if you're into that, make sure you check that out too. Tell me what you think of it. Tell me, you know, how you think it sounds. Definitely subscribe to us, watch our other videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Alright, I'll see you next time.